It's actually cheaper to spend money on Amazon PPC than it is on Google PPC or Facebook or Meta or any other platform in the entire world. What are the common PPC questions you get? Every Amazon seller asks the same PPC questions, aren't they? What are they?
Why my tacos is so high, or my ACOS, or why am I spending so much on advertising? Like I'm losing money. How can I stay profitable while doing this advertising? Those keywords that you're targeting, I think those are not the ones that are gonna work for my audience, for example.
I love these questions. Now, here's the fun part. I want you to answer them. Why is my tacos so high?
Tacos can be high because you're putting too much bits on specific keywords. The total cost of sales are going to increase at the end of the week or the month if you have too much.
So typically, high tacos or high ACOS, your bids are too high, the conversion is too low, or the SEO is too weak. It's always going to be one of those three things. Okay, so why am I spending so much on PPC? Well, because PPC is fundamental to growing sales, because on Amazon, you need sales to grow sales, and because it's effective. It's actually cheaper to spend money on Amazon PPC than it is on Google PPC or Facebook or Meta or any other platform in the entire world. A 35% ACOS on another platform is unheard of. Why are we targeting these keywords?
Because those keywords are more search volume on Amazon. That's going to help you to increase your sales.
So give me an example. Pick a product and give me an example keyword that you think somebody is mad at you for advertising on.
For example, pickable balls, and obviously, like with most search volume.
So what keyword did you use that they were like, yeah, I don't know about that?
For example, indoor pickable, which even though if they don't sell indoor, the keyword with really high search volume.
And the ACOS is decent?
Yeah.
There's your answer. Why do you care if we target a cursory keyword, an unrelated keyword, if it makes you more money? What do you think they're going to say? They're going to say, well, I just don't want to deal with the returns or whatever. But here's the thing. When was the last time you went to the grocery store?
Like 3 days ago.
What did you go to buy?
Cat litter, cat food.
You're thinking about your cat. Cool. When
Yeah.
you left the grocery store, how many additional items besides cat litter did you leave with?
A Powerade. I was thirsty.
A Powerade. You went in to get cat litter and you left with a Powerade. Did you search for a keyword Powerade when you went to the grocery store? No, you did not. Next time you have this question that comes with a brand, I want you to ask them, hey, when was the last time you went to the grocery store? What did you go to buy? Cat litter. What else did you buy while you were there? Gatorade. This is why we're advertising on Gatorade. And the last thing we got time for, how do I stay profitable while advertising on Amazon? The answer to that is the more we optimize the listing, the more keyword juice that we get, the more it's going to pay out dividends. Also, here's a fun fact. For every one PPC sale that you get, you're going to generate 3 organic sales over 6 months. And a lot of people understand that. You need sales to get sales on Amazon, but the more PPC sales you get, the more SEO sales you earn because a transaction creates more transactions. Selling on Amazon is hard. I know it, you know it. So let me know what problems you are experiencing and I'll shoot videos on that next.